See, this one is broken. Okay, that's better. This one is broken, and I broke it last year in December while surfing in the Caribbean. Then I went to Dubai, Oman and Nepal. So now I decided to fix it, and I'm going to see a Nepali dentist, ask for the price and maybe fix it. And then let's see what the dentist in Nepal is able of. So I take a bit of money, that's thousands, to be prepared. And now let's see. So this is the building, and I spotted the dentist right here. Let's go this one. Yes, it says on the third floor. Let's try to check it out. So third floor here. Namaste. I'm going to take these slippers. Okay. Okay, I asked for the price, and it's for the examination of my teeth, it's 250 rupees.
Where are you staying now?
I don't know the street address, but it's in Chowni. Okay, oh wow, I didn't expect this. Can I just maybe lay down this here a bit?
Please use your mouth with that. We have the disinfectant in the glass.
Yes. Okay. Yes, this is. Yeah, it's perfect. After 6:30.
Yes,
so
not even water. Not even water
okay.
You can drink. So
okay.
At least you need to wait for 1 hour to
Perfect.
either drink or to eat.
Yes, perfect.
So.
Okay, I thought it's going to be. Oh, that was very nice. I thought there would only be one tool, but it's more than one tool.
It's not like my small mirror.
It's so cute.
It's not broken,
No, perfect.
So you are Martin.
So it's 2,050 rupees.
I think it's way more cheaper than in your country, I guess.
Yes. So let me put off this mask for a second. It was amazing. It was only 2,050 rupees, which is almost nothing, for free. In Germany I paid more than 10 times more for the same treatment. It was exactly the same treatment. It was the same material. It is a composite material, not cement. And except one difference, it was exactly the same treatment. So only in Germany I had to wear sunglasses. The composite needs to get hardened by like a UV light, and here she did it and she said close your eyes, and in Germany I had to wear sunglasses. That was the only difference. Everything else was the same, and it was like only 2,000 rupees, 2,050 rupees. See, it's this teeth. It is perfect. I will go there tomorrow again for a very professional cleaning from the doctor. She cleans my teeth. She said there is like some stuff which needs to get cleaned. and she told me the price, and it will be kind of the same as today. So it will be a bit under 2,000 rupees again.
Hello.
I need some milk. I just stopped by for a bit milk. Yes, this is my way home. Welcome to a suburb of Kathmandu. Good morning!
Hey. Oh. How's your teeth? How's your teeth? Wow. Good as new. So I mean more expensive than $30? Or more expensive than $50?
No, it was only 2,000 rupees.
2,000 rupees is, let me see.
Kind of $15.